Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you how to use old comics like our Phoenix here to turn into a quick and easy either gift bag or party bag. We actually made 13 of these really quickly and easily as our party bags on my son's 10th birthday. So come on, let's take a look and see how easy these bags are to make. So all you need to make your party bags is some magazines, some old comics and some sellotape. Now I've already loosened the page I want to use. I'm going to use this page. So it's worth checking what both sides look like and whether you like it. But because they're party bags, I think it's fine if only one side is to your liking. And basically you fold it over and you tape down this side. I like doing it in pieces simply because then your tape doesn't get curled up and it doesn't get in your way. If you take one long piece, it can be really hard to stick on. First part finished. Now you move it down and you fold up the bottom part of your party bag. Now you can decide, so depending, like we had some notebooks to put into ours, so they needed to be quite big, but depending on how big you make this, you'll have either a thin party bag or a slightly wider one. It is totally up to you depending on what you're going to put inside, so it's just a question of preference. So you fold it in half, open it, and push this little bit in to create a triangle. And then you repeat the same on this side. So you push it in, and if you need to, put your finger inside just to help push it down. So you now have these triangles. Fold one end just, here's the middle, just over the middle. Tiny bit over, doesn't have to be super neat. And again, bring this down just over the middle. And it just gives you a little bit of extra support if it's over the middle. Again, it's not an exact science, it really doesn't matter. And now you get your tape again, if you can find the end. This is the problem, isn't it, with tape? And you tape it down. That is, in fact, your party bag finished. If you want to, you can add some extra tape, but this should do the trick. Open it up. And put your hands in. There we go. Push all the edges down and you have a bag. There we go, look at that. Loads of space. I mean, of course, it doesn't have to be a party bag. It can be a gift bag as well. And then once you've got your gift or your parties in, you just fold the top over. You can take this bit down and you have a really cool bag. Now, we also used the same magazine. I opened it all up, sellotaped the pages together, and we created a really nice, great big gift wrap, and it looked fantastic. And I think it's a really great way to upcycle an old comics that you don't need anymore, that you finished reading, and turn it into gift bags and gift wrap. But as mentioned, we use them as a party bag. And that is literally it. So yes, as per usual, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching, keep making, keep recycling, and hopefully we'll see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.